Hey guys, here's an unusual knife you don't see very often. This is the World Scout Jamboree knife for the year 2011. It's the 22nd World Scout Jamboree that was ever held, and this one was held in Sweden. This knife was made for the Swiss contingent. It has a special printed front scale, as you can see here. The World Scout Jamboree is held every 4 years, so it'll be 2015 before the next one. This model is a camper model, which is a pretty standard Victorinox knife. It has the main blade, a small blade, the wood saw, the two standard openers, which is your can opener here with screwdriver, and then your flat screwdriver and a bottle opener. This one has the corkscrew and the awl, as well as the inserts, toothpick, tweezers, and then of course the key ring. It's an unusual custom ordered knife for the Swiss contingent 22nd World Scout Jamboree in Sweden 2011. Thanks for watching.